Hello adventurers! As the first rays of the sun pierce the Istanbul skyline, we find ourselves at the crossroads of continents, ready to embark on a breathtaking journey through the heart of Turkey. A land where the past and present intermingle, where East meets West in a vibrant dance of cultures. Awakening to the dawn is Istanbul, the city of the world's desire, straddling two continents and embracing both with a warm Turkish welcome. As the day breaks, the city reveals its majestic silhouette, crowned by the serene Hagia Sophia, an architectural masterpiece that has stood the test of time and witnessed the ebb and flow of empires. Bathing in the golden sunrise is the shimmering Bosphorus, an aquatic ribbon that weaves through the city, carrying tales of legendary voyages and timeless allure. This strait not only separates continents but also unites cultures, embodying Istanbul's unique geographical and cultural position. But Istanbul is more than just a beautiful cityscape, it's a symphony of sounds, a mosaic of colors, a tapestry of cultures. Its streets echo the footsteps of Roman emperors, Byzantine monks, Ottoman sultans, and modern Turks, all leaving their indelible marks on the city's rich history. Every cobblestone in Istanbul tells a story, from the ancient Roman hippodrome, where chariots once raced, to the grandeur of the Topkapi Palace, where sultans once ruled. Istanbul is a living history book, waiting to be explored. As we step into this vibrant city, we are stepping into a living history book, where empires rose and fell, leaving behind a tapestry of cultures. Each alley whispers tales of the past, each minaret reaches for the sky in a testament to faith and human ingenuity, each bustling bazaar is a sensory feast, offering a window into the soul of Turkey. So, adventurers, let's wander these historic streets. Let's delve into the heart of Istanbul, and let's embark on an Anatolian adventure that will take us through the pages of history to the pulse of modern Turkey. As we journey through this mesmerizing country, we are not just traveling, we are time traveling. Walking through Istanbul is like wandering through the pages of history, where every corner turned unveils a new chapter. This city, once known as Byzantium and later Constantinople, has been the capital of three mighty empires, Roman, Byzantine, and Ottoman. Today, it still stands as a testament to the grandeur of those bygone eras. Let's take a stroll through the Sultanahmet district, the heart of old Istanbul. Here you'll find the Hagia Sophia, an architectural marvel that has stood the test of time. For over 1,000 years it was the largest cathedral in the world, and its dome, a perfect blend of engineering and artistry, still leaves onlookers in awe. Just a stone's throw away, we find the Blue Mosque, an epitome of Islamic architecture. With its 6 minarets reaching towards the heavens and intricate Iznik tiles adorning its interior, the Blue Mosque is a symphony in stone, a testament to the artistic prowess of the Ottoman Empire. Next, we journey to the Topkapi Palace, the grand residence of Ottoman sultans for 4 centuries. As we wander through its opulent halls and lush gardens, we can almost hear the echoes of royal intrigues and power plays. The palace's treasury holds a trove of priceless artifacts, from the legendary Topkapi dagger to the stunning 86-carat spoonmaker's diamond. But Istanbul's history is not just found in its grand monuments. It's etched in the cobblestone streets of the old city, in the weathered facades of Byzantine-era buildings, and in the vibrant bazaars that have been the city's lifeblood for centuries. The Grand Bazaar, one of the world's oldest and largest covered markets, is a labyrinth of over 3,000 shops, where you can find everything from hand-woven carpets to precious gemstones. The scent of spices wafts through the air, mingling with the aroma of freshly brewed Turkish tea, creating a sensory experience unlike any other. We can't talk about Istanbul's history without mentioning the mighty Bosphorus, the strait that divides the city into 2 continents, Europe and Asia. For centuries, the Bosphorus has been a vital trade route and a strategic maritime choke point, shaping the city's destiny in more ways than one. Today, a boat ride on the Bosphorus offers breathtaking views of Istanbul's skyline, dotted with majestic palaces and ancient fortresses. As we end our journey through Istanbul's historic heart, we realize that history here is not just a thing of the past. It's a living, breathing entity that coexists with the present, shaping the city's unique character. Each stone, each monument, whispers tales of a past filled with grandeur and intrigue. Istanbul is indeed a city where history is etched onto the very fabric of its existence. Now, let us immerse ourselves in the vibrant tapestry of Turkish culture. As we delve deeper into the heart of Turkey, we find ourselves in a traditional market, a hub of local crafts, vibrant colors, and the delightful hum of bustling life. Here, each stall is a doorway into the soul of Turkey, displaying an array of handcrafted goods that speak volumes of the country's rich heritage. From intricately woven carpets that tell tales of ancient nomadic tribes to the delicate artistry of Turkish ceramics, each piece is a testament to the skill and creativity of Turkish artisans. These markets, often called bazaars, are not just commercial centers, but also serve as social meeting points, where locals exchange news, haggle over prices, and share a cup of strong Turkish tea. Speaking of tea, let's not forget about Turkish cuisine. It's a culinary paradise, an aromatic blend of tastes and textures that tell stories of Turkey's rich heritage. Imagine the comforting warmth of a bowl of lentil soup, the tangy freshness of a shepherd's salad, or the smoky flavor of a perfectly grilled kebab. But it's not just about the savory dishes. Turkish sweets, like the world-renowned baklava and the stretchy ice cream known as Maraş dondurma, are treats that will satisfy even the most discerning sweet tooth. And of course, no Turkish meal is complete without a cup of robust Turkish coffee, a beverage so integral to the culture that it's recognized by UNESCO as an intangible cultural heritage of Turkey. Yet the essence of Turkish cuisine lies not just in the food itself, but in the way it's enjoyed. Meals are often a communal affair, a time for families and friends to gather around a table sharing dishes, stories, and laughter. It's a celebration of togetherness, a testament to the Turkish saying that a cup of coffee commits one to 40 years of friendship. But Turkish culture is more than just markets and meals. It's a melodic blend of music and dance, from the hypnotic whirls of the whirling dervishes to the rhythmic beats of Anatolian folk music. It's a visual spectacle of architecture, where Byzantine domes meet Ottoman minarets in a harmonious blend of styles. It's a literary treasure trove, home to Nobel laureate Orhan Pamuk, and the epic tales of the ancient poet Rumi. From the bustling bazaars to the tantalizing cuisine, Turkey offers a cultural feast for the senses. Each corner of this country unveils a new layer of its cultural mosaic, a vibrant blend of traditions and customs that have been shaped by centuries of history. Whether you're exploring the labyrinthine streets of Istanbul, wandering through the rock-hewn churches of Cappadocia, or simply enjoying a leisurely meal with locals, you'll find that the spirit of Turkey lies in its people, their stories, and their enduring connection to this enchanting land. Leaving the city behind, we venture into the heart of Turkey's enchanting landscape. As we journey into the Anatolian plains, a different side of Turkey unfolds before our eyes. A side where nature seems to have been left to its own devices, sculpting a world unlike any other. Welcome to Cappadocia, a region where the earth has given birth to a dreamscape of towering fairy chimneys, vast underground cities, and enchanting cave dwellings. Here, the natural world has crafted an awe-inspiring canvas, and it's as though we've stepped into a fairy tale, a realm where the laws of nature have been rewritten. These unique formations, known as fairy chimneys, are the result of thousands of years of erosion. They rise from the earth like silent sentinels, each one a testament to the power and beauty of nature's artistry. But these formations are not just a feast for the eyes. They are steeped in history, having been home to various civilizations over the centuries. Cappadocia's landscape is not only unique on the ground. When you look up at the sky, especially at dawn, you'll see a spectacle that seems to be plucked straight from a storybook. The sky is dotted with colorful hot air balloons, floating gently against the backdrop of a pastel sunrise. This is Cappadocia's signature experience, a hot air balloon ride over its surreal landscape. It's as though the earth and sky are in a constant dance, each trying to outdo the other in splendor. As we glide over this lunar-like landscape, the sheer magnificence of Cappadocia takes your breath away. From above, the fairy chimneys look like a sea of stone spires, their peaks kissed by the first light of day. It's a sight that will make you feel like you're floating in a dream. But Cappadocia's allure doesn't end with its landscapes. This region is also home to vibrant pottery and winemaking traditions, adding another layer to its charm. The earth that has shaped Cappadocia's landscape is the same earth that gives life to the grapes for its wines and clay for its pottery. In Cappadocia, we find a place where the magic of nature and human history intertwine, creating a tapestry of experiences that are as mesmerizing as they are unforgettable. It's a testament to Turkey's diverse natural beauty, a place where every corner is a canvas for the forces of nature. As we say goodbye to Cappadocia, we carry with us memories of a land that has truly been sculpted by nature's hand. It's a place that reminds us of the power and beauty of the natural world, a world that continues to inspire and captivate us with its endless wonders. In the heart of Anatolia, nature has crafted a world of wonder and beauty. This is Cappadocia, a place where the earth tells a story that leaves us in awe of the enchanting canvas that is Turkey. As we return to the city, we find a Turkey that pulses with modern energy. This is a country that has learned to embrace time, turning the page from a rich historical tapestry to a vibrant present. Picture bustling streets of Istanbul, a city that never sleeps, where the old stone streets echo with the rhythm of modern life. The air hums with the sounds of conversation, music, and the ceaseless beat of commerce. Turkey's nightlife is a spectacle in itself. The cityscape transforms as the sun sets, with a kaleidoscope of lights painting the sky. The city comes alive with the energy of 1,000 stories unfolding, each one as unique as the stars that twinkle above. And then there's the art. Modern Turkish art is a testament to the country's ability to transform, to innovate, and to express. From graffiti that adorns the city walls to the intricate designs of contemporary fashion, Turkish creativity is as diverse as it is profound. Yet amidst this modern pulse, the echoes of the past are never far away. The country's historical richness is not forgotten, but rather incorporated into this new narrative. The ancient Ottoman architecture stands proudly amidst the steel and glass of modern structures, a testament to a country that values its roots as much as its growth. The people of Turkey, too, embody this blend of old and new. They carry the wisdom of their ancestors, the traditions of their culture, yet their eyes sparkle with the promise of the future. They are the custodians of the past and the architects of the future, the living embodiment of Turkey's unique fusion. In the world of Turkish cuisine, the same blend exists. Traditional dishes are given a modern twist, creating a culinary experience that is both familiar and excitingly new. In this land where East meets West, tradition and modernity dance in harmonious rhythm. This dance, this fusion, is the true pulse of modern Turkey, a heartbeat that resonates with every soul that dares to explore this enchanting land. As our journey draws to a close, we find that Turkey has left an indelible imprint on our hearts. This enchanting land, where East meets West, has taught us that history is not just about dates and events, but a living, breathing narrative that resonates in the stones of Istanbul's ancient landmarks and whispers in the echoes of the bustling bazaars. We've walked through the pages of time, marveling at the grandeur of the Hagia Sophia, the ethereal beauty of the Blue Mosque, and the royal extravagance of Topkapi Palace. We've tasted the soul of Turkey in its cuisine, where every dish tells a story. From the piquant flavors of kebabs and the comforting warmth of lentil soup, to the sweet allure of baklava, we've savored a culinary tapestry as rich and diverse as the country itself. Our senses have been delighted by the vibrant tapestry of Turkish culture, in bustling markets where craftsmen weave their magic, in the resonating melodies of Turkish music, and in the heartfelt hospitality of its people. We have soared above the mystical landscapes of Cappadocia, where nature has painted a dreamlike canvas of fairy chimneys and unique rock formations. We've experienced the pulsating energy of Istanbul's streets, where modernity and tradition blend seamlessly, creating a vibrant mosaic of life. Contemporary Turkey is a dynamic fusion of the old and new, a testament to its resilience and its constant evolution, while staying true to its roots. This Anatolian adventure has been a journey through time, a cultural immersion, an exploration of breathtaking landscapes, and a glimpse into the modern vibrance of a country that is constantly redefining itself. Every corner of this land has a story to tell, every face a tale of resilience and pride, every meal a celebration of life. Turkey is a land that stays with you long after you've left its shores. Every memory, every experience, every moment is a precious keepsake, a reminder of a journey that has touched our hearts and enriched our spirits. If you've enjoyed this voyage through Turkey, give us a like, subscribe for more adventures, and share your thoughts in the comments below.